Oh, no, and yes, sir. Hey.
I'm not afraid to any celebrity. I don't rub shoulders with them. They are big, they are high, they are not my face. If it's something that you have to face, you will by all means face it. You can't dodge it. Maybe it might not be my son's issue. Maybe something else, and that one will take me to jail for 20 years. So this is good, you know. It has really pushed me. I get all gigs to shoot. I get a lot of contractors. And you know, do you know where this case has taken me to? And it took me to America. I wouldn't wish anyone to be in jail. Yes, because jail is not a good place to be.
Right.
Jail is for everybody.
Yes.
Jail is for everyone. If you don't take good care of yourself and you mess up, you go to jail. Official power for having me here. My fans are supporting me up to this time. I support me here. 2022 2023, Nikasi, or Dumfu, Aya Amra, Insham, no 200, no one be around Casamia, Empo Ye Mamu, Omamu Patinti, Omo Bisamu, Mamu Yamoti, Oma Musika, long life, Namutin supporting me, sir. Muntina, yes, stay safe, keep on supporting the people, and I will always put a smile on your face. Happy New Year! Happy 2023! I love you guys. This is
before the year 2022, I will travel from January basically January. But describing the saying, how was the year for you?
Oh, so far so good. You know, I won't say it's bad because whatever we faced in 2022, builders prepared us to face 2023. So we move. You know, no regret at all. And I'm too proud of myself, of the woman I've become. You know, asking for me. And he's too proud.
The focusing is amazing. Everything is on process. Today is different. Tomorrow is different. Ask yourself, are you going to be tomorrow or again? So the answer I'm always working.
So no, I can't now. I feel yeah, you come on this, we build ourselves up to achieve our goals and our aim. And put our own agreeing people our team said, and so this will be a work hour. About now you're one pie. So they say I send Papa dear one pie. Now in America, what no mamma in Casa. Not to one moment, and I said, if I want to add this. 2023, no darling, it's a blessing.
2022, one of most challenging year. I mean, fancy back and front. You don't call ups and downs. So, okay, sir, year no day no time now. Who faces our challenges now? How do you feel?
Oh, I always say no regret, no regret. I keep saying, sir, if it's something that you have to face, you will by all means face it. You can't dodge it. Maybe it might not be my son's issue. Maybe something else, and that one will take me to jail for 20 years. So this is good, you know. It has really pushed me. I get all gigs to shoot. I get a lot of contractors. And you know, do you know where this case has taken me to? And it took me to America.
Oh, really?
To India. You see, India people were talking about me just like that.
Okay, fast forward. Ebra men fan say a fresh nigga on a chama want to be court case in a buy. Among for we bring a tag or son when you agit a year bra, you can't see a sentence for 10 days imprisonment. Bloggers will bring national stories be say ujubility a fresh nigga and 10 days imprisonment now a year for the amano. Reply out the money.
Oh, trust me. I don't really follow anybody else's issue.
But firstly, are you cool with the Fiashras nigga?
Am I what?
Are you cool with the Fiashras nigga?
I've never fought any celebrity, but I'm not afraid to any celebrity. They are my sisters.
Okay.
And I see them as my big sisters. So I don't rub shoulders with them. They are big, they are high. They are not my friends. Okay. They are my big sisters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
that is it.
When in anasana news never so when you are bra you can say
okay, I didn't see the news though.
Okay.
That's me. But if that truly happened, no, I don't wish that for any other human being because I know what I'm going through. Yes, I wouldn't wish anyone to be in jail. Yes, because jail is not a good place to be.
Right.
Jail is for everybody.
Yes.
Jail is for everyone. If you don't take good care of yourself and you mess up, you go to jail.
Okay.
And anything at all can take you to jail.
Okay. ne say picture na post e bre bi atwa mu a ode beto internet so no so me fan so obi aye na adwen so no so be ye bi e de abeji fame a afutu obi na ode be ma so ni papa no.
Oh, I always keep saying that they should say no to nudity. But I still see people say doing a lot of things. As mobility, someone else can do it and it won't take her anywhere. But Poloo will do it and it will take it herself. I would say stay safe and say no to nudity. That is what I would say.
Oh, yeah, they. Oh, man, I'm home by some. Yes, oh, now, there you. Oh, no, and yes, sir. Hey, Afishabo. Nana Salingo.